After logging into my Quizizz, I will then go to my library. In my library, I have an assorted amount of quizzes that I have done over a period of time. And then on the side over here, it is grouped by the ones that I pulled from the library and the ones that I created. I'm going to click on one that I created, or I'm going to click on the list of the quizzes that I have created myself. And then we're going to go to one that I just recently gave to my students, which is this one called Part to Part and Part to Whole ratios, where students would have to figure out, according to what the ratio was saying, if it was a part to part or a part to whole comparison. Now, there are three different ways that you could play this quiz. You can play a live quiz, you can play an instructor-paced quiz, or if you would like for the students to perform or work individually, you can put assign as a homework. Now, if you press live quiz, you have the option to do classic or set it up as a test or as a team. You also have the options to skip a question. That's a new feature to go back to it later. You also have these different options down here that they can take the quiz as many times as they want to, and or you can limit it. So if you want to give them like a grade, you can say if you want them to show the answers or not, or during the activity or after the activity. I like to show students the answers during the activity because it lets them know which ones they got right, which ones they got wrong. It's that immediate feedback that's pretty good. And you can opt to see if you wanted to have a timer or not. All right. So that's in live mode. Those same options are available in homework mode if you wanted to have the students work on it by themselves with a link. So if you scroll down there, you can look at all of this stuff here too. As far as shuffling questions, options, they can have the option to play music. You can have the option to answer the question, show the answers during the test or after the test. Show answers after the activity, show answers during the activity. You could push on or off. All of those options are there for this one also. All you would have to do is press assign, change the deadline. When do you want the test to be over with? Press assign. And what will happen is a link will pop up right here where it says join my quiz. They will link in right here and then they will type this code in. That's how that will work. So this is how you can assign a created quiz in Quizizz.